Hello friends, welcome to AD's Zyke. Today we are going to make shrimp coconut masala. For that our main ingredient would be 1 pound of shrimps. It's already pre-cooked. Half cup of coconut milk. 1 cup of onion masala that we made last weekend. 3 to 4 tablespoons of grated coconut. And fresh whipping cream, 3 to 4 tablespoons. So now let's start making the shrimp coconut masala. To begin, I will take 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. So once the oil is heated, I'll add a stick of cinnamon, spoon of cumin seeds, zira, 3 to 4 whole red chillies. We'll saute it for around 30 seconds. We'll add our onion masala. After adding onion masala, we can add some curry leaves. Once the masala is well mixed with all the whole spices, it's time to add coconut milk. Okay, mix it well with the onion masala for a couple of minutes. Okay, after sauteing this for a couple of minutes, now it's time to add the grated coconut to the mixture. Mix it well and let it cook for another couple of minutes. After a couple of minutes, once you see the oil leaving the mixture, it's time to add the cream. Mix it well and let it cook for another couple of minutes. Okay, after all the ingredients are cooked well, it's time to add salt. So you can add salt to your taste. I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt here. Okay. Now I will lower the flame and add my pre-cooked shrimps. So if your shrimps are pre-cooked, you should always add it at the last, because you don't want to overcook the shrimps, otherwise it gets rubbery. After adding the shrimps, we will cover it for a couple of minutes with the lid until it comes to a boil. After a couple of minutes, remove the lid and we see that our curry has come to a boil. It's time to turn off the flame and serve it hot. Before serving, let's garnish it with some coriander leaves and some fresh cream. The shrimp coconut masala is ready to be served. Thank you very much everyone for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Until next time, bye bye.